Hi, I'm Glenn Villar.
Hi, I'm John.
We're from Brain Access Solutions, and welcome to my vlog. On this episode, I'm going to show you my tool that I usually use for my watch repair and sometimes for um, diagnosing or checking through the motherboards or cell phone board, logic boards. And this is what I call the Mustool here. Sorry, Mustool. So it's like it has a 7-inch screen, built-in screen, and it has a camera with LED at the bottom, and you have a base already, and this is powered by 5 volts, 2 amperes, and it has a memory card, and then you can use this to for checking your logic boards. Okay, so let's try how this thing works. So in front of this is the dial knob for the focus, and at the back is that you have this dial also for adjusting its height. So if you want to take a closer look, you can dial it down, wind it down, and if you want a more larger view, you can just bring it up. So how long has this thing been with me? It's been with me for 5 months now, and still working nicely. Let's try its zooming prowess. So I have a automatic Seiko 5 automatic watch here, and if I want to take a look at the mechanical stuff inside, I'm just going to place this under the microscope. There. Then you can adjust the focus to see more clearly there. As you can see, you can see the hairspring swinging back and forth. It means that this watch is still working, but as you can see, its amplitude is not good anymore. It's weak. So from this, you can observe if your watch amplitude is still okay or not. You can actually adjust it higher if you want to look at the whole picture. So once you adjust the height, it doesn't have an autofocus function, so you need to manually focus it again. There. Okay, let's try it for motherboards. So I have a computer motherboard here. And as you can see, the components are really small. And if you want to check the capacitor, if there's any broken capacitors or bad ICs, then you might need something like this to, check for it. So I'm going to check for this capacitor here. You will know that it is a capacitor because it has a letter C in there. But it's too small, right, for me to poke with the tester with a neck or using the naked eye. So you can put it in here. And adjust the zoom. There. So as you can see, we can see those two capacitors, the C74 and C77 capacitors. Now we can use our tester to use the diode mode to test if it's a good capacitor, for shortage. So I'm gonna use my Zenith tester here and put it into continuity diode mode. So we need to place the red probe to the ground and the black to the capacitor. Sorry about that. So I need to poke it first. Which one is it? Sorry. I'm not in a good position here, so find it. Where is it again? Oh, here. There. So I'm going to put the red probe on the ground. I'll try to poke this side with this. Yes, shit. sorry. I'm not in a, wait, I'm going to post this and move the camera away so I can concentrate. It's very hard for my position here. Hold on.
A few moments later.
Okay, now that we move the camera tripod out of the way, I'm gonna try and do it again. Okay, so red probe on the ground. Now I'm gonna start measuring the capacity of the continuity. There. Okay, so these two capacitors are still good. One more thing about this thing versus the binocular microscope is that you can record whatever you're doing underneath the camera, or you can take pictures of it. Look at this. If I decide to like probe on something and I want to record what I'm doing, then you can actually record yourself doing it. So you just press the okay first, but make sure that this is in the recording mode. So now you can start like recording things in here and it will be recorded. Let's try. So press this button here. See? So this is what we could be recorded. There, right? So it's nice, right? So you can also take pictures if you want to. There. Make sure that this is in the picture mode. And then press OK. So it's just going to snap the picture. I can remove it and then press D. There, there's the last picture that you've taken. Okay. Okay, so that's all for this episode. I hope that this little video has helped you, decide if you want to buy a tool like this. But honestly, if you're going to ask me, is it worth buying this? I think so for just like just for observation, right? If you wanna check your motherboard or watch, it's only good for that thing. But working under this camera, it's really hard. So I think the binocular microscope or trinocular microscope would be better, would be a better option than this one. But you can buy this because it's pretty cheap. It's like 3,000 pesos or something. So if you can master working under this thing, despite having a slight lag when you're working on it, then it's okay for you. So don't worry about thinking about the lag. So that's all. I hope this video has helped you, and please subscribe to my channel, and thank you very much for watching.